students, hope everyone is fine, and today we are going to learn cube root just in 2 seconds. But before starting, I would like to tell you two things. One thing is that whenever there are 4 digits, 5 digits or 6 digits, it confirms that cube root of those numbers will be 2-digit number only, right? What I told, that whenever, like here, number is 1, 2, 3, 4, है ना? So whenever it is either 4-digit or 5-digit or 6-digit number, then it is confirmed that that particular number cube root will be 2-digit number. And second thing is that you must know the cube of at least first 10 numbers, only 10 numbers. Like here I have written 1, cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, and cube of 8 is 512, and cube of 9 is 729, and cube of 10 is 1000, right? Now you might have noticed in this that whenever we find the cube of 1, right, then 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10, that whatever number is here 1, so cube 1 last digit is 1 only. If it is 2, then you will find it is 8, means it is making sum of 10. Fine. 6 numbers are here which are having the same 1, 1, 4, and here last digit is 4, 5 last digit is 5, 6 last digit is 6 only, 9 last digit is 9, and 0 last digit is 0 only. 6 numbers, and remaining 4 they are having the combination of 2, then here 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3, then combination of this, yes, 7, 3 plus 7 is 10. Here if it is 7, then here it will be 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 8, then here it will be 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So you don't need to remember even. Now come to first example, how we are going to find the cube root of this particular number. As I have got that there are 4 digits, so first of all I'll just talk about this. Whenever there is 2 at the end, what I have told, 2 means here last digit must be 8. You know? Look here. Yes, in cube if it is 2, this, then it means it is the cube of 8 only, right? So I have written here 8. Now forget about these 3 numbers. In 3 number ko bhul jao. Come to this. Now think, where does it 5 comes whenever I am talking about the cube? So I think 5 comes in between 1 and 8, right? In these 2 numbers 5 will be falling. So here I have to check from here the smaller number I will write. So which is the smaller number of 1 and 2? It is 1, right? Should I explain again? 5, I have to check in cube. Where does 5 fall? It falls between 1 and 8, right? Now 1 and 8 both are the cube of 1 and 2. So here I will choose the smaller number over here, that is 1. So like this way I have got that 5833's cube root is 18, right? Let us move to another question. Take any example. Suppose I am taking here, I have to find cube root of 46,000 46,656, right? So what we have learned, that whenever there is 6 in the end, what I will get here? 6 only, right? Look here, if it is 6 in the end, I will get 6 as a cube root. So I have written 6. Now forget about these 3 numbers, right? Come to this 2 number, 46. Now check here in the cubes line. Where does this 46 falls? 46 comes in between this 2, 27 and 64, right? So here I have to choose. This is cube of 3 and cube of 4. So I have to choose the smaller one. So it is 3. Like this I have got that cube root of 46,656 is 36, right? Let us have one more example. You can see here I have taken 4 digits. Now I have taken 5 digits and now I will take 6 digits, so that we can see that how this 4, 5 and 6 digit numbers are having the cube root in the series of 2 digits only. So take here the example like 4,05,224. Okay, this is 6 digit number. So first of all I will check the last digit. It is 4. So in case of 4, what happens? I will get the same number. So I have written here 4. Now forget about these 3 numbers. Think of these 3 numbers. It is 405. So 405 you have to check over here, right? Where does it falls? 405 falls here, right? In between the cube of 7 and cube of 8. So I will take smaller one, right? So what is the smaller one? 7. So I will write here 74. So cube root of 4,05,224 is 74. Let us take one more example and after that I will give you practice sums. Suppose take an example like there is 6,58,503, right? So what we have learnt, that whenever there is 3 in the end, so what will come? 7. Simply 3 plus 7 comes to 10. Now forget about these 3 numbers and think of these 3. 658. Now check here, where does 658 falls? 658 will be in between 512 and 729. It will be somewhere here, right? And this is the cube of 8 and 9. So what I will do? I will choose the smaller one. So here I will write 87. Hope you have understood it. Now let me give you a few practice sums which you will do on your own, right? So here I am going to write the practice sums for you. You'll find this in the description box, and if there is any query, feel free to ask.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember